Hello, all my saints and ain'ts. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha and I go by AJ. So this is going to be by AJ TV. So yeah, it's been like 5 months or so since I uploaded my first YouTube video, but we're gonna get into that now. Yeah, so welcome to my first video. All right, girl. So basically, when I first started this channel, I was so excited. And if you see my eye watering, it's because I have year-round allergies, and this is how it decides to treat me whenever I want to get cute or anything like that. So if you see me dab dab, just, girl, don't worry. But yes, so when I started this channel, I want to say it was maybe November or so. November, December, I can't remember. Yeah, probably November. So I was so excited, I was doing my research. I was like, how can I motivate myself to be a successful YouTuber? So I started my brand, my lip line, which is deliPcious by AJ. The link is down below if you haven't seen that video of the try on, or if you want to purchase, the links are down below in the description box. But I did my first YouTube video of me trying on my lipsticks or whatnot. And after that, I felt real good about the video. It got a lot of views and activity on Facebook, but not here on YouTube. So that didn't really discourage me, because I'm like, duh, Aisha, you're new. So of course, it's not going to get that much traffic just yet. But other things started going on. Then it was holiday time, and it was just so much going on. I was just like, girl, I don't know how you gonna do this, but this is just, no, it's not gonna work. So I got really, really busy. YouTube was the furthest thing from my mind. And I was just like, yeah, this is not what you started this channel for. Like, you started this channel to, first of all, I'm sorry. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I'm back. So I started this channel because I wanted to share my story, my testimony. I wanted to share my tips. I just wanted to share me with you guys. You know what I mean? I wanted to just share myself with you all. I'm an outgoing person.
In the right crowd.
I love meeting new people. I love talking to people.
The right people.
But yes, like, I just feel like I should have been doing YouTube, honestly. You know what I mean? So I'm finally getting back to that motivation. I'm finally getting back to, why I started this YouTube channel in the first place. So what you guys can expect from me is a few beauty stuff, not much. I'm no way near a professional, but I know what looks good for me. Amen. Amen. So, hair, I may do some hair tutorials. I don't really do much with my hair. I may do this a lot with my edges. I'll do some hair stuff, just some little simple stuff for my simple girls out there. Of course, I do my own makeup. So of course, I'll do some makeup tutorials on some, basic, simple looks. For those ladies out there like me that don't really do the dramatic, super glammed up, I may do that for like a date night or a holiday or a party or something like that. But it's going to be more of like an everyday look with a pop of color or a bold lip or something like that, that type of stuff. Of course, I want to start doing like a weekly upload of like a Bible, I was gonna say Bible vacation. No, sis, that's not what you meant. Bible class or study. There we go. Because I am saved. Amen. Amen. So yeah, I'm gonna do some shopping hauls because, honey, let me tell you, during this quarantine, who's been seeing my pockets is these online stores. Okay, so I'm gonna do a few hauls here and there. It's just gonna be a fun channel, you know. AJ Talk is gonna be my little webisodes or whatever of me, like my little diary entry, basically, or a journal entry, and you guys get to see all of that. I just want, you know, to express myself freely and bring you guys along with me. Okay. I didn't get all dolled up or this dolled up for this video, but I am glad that I am a little, you know, here because today is my 4-year anniversary. Me and my husband has been married. When I say we made it, we made it. But yeah, so I just wanted to look cute around the house since we're living the quarantine life for our anniversary or whatever, because I'm gonna go back to looking homeless tomorrow. Let's just be real about it. But yeah, so yeah, guys, I just wanted to come on here, give a little update, you know what I mean? Let y'all know that I am back. I'm going to be more consistent, I pinky promise. Yeah, y'all will be hearing a lot more from me. Matter of fact, you'll probably see the same look on the next video because I'm doing 3 of these today. Okay? But anyway, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share. Do what you got to do. Because, honey, we about to start this journey. Welcome to By AJ TV, your favorite channel, okay? And I will see y'all at the next video. Bye. Again, thank you for watching my channel. This is By AJ TV. Be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like and also comment. And then ring the notification bell.